All right, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
The chocolate...
Chocolate break.
Chocolate break.
Well, it's been a couple weeks since we've done one of these. I still have the ones from the last time we did these that I have to edit and get ready. But it's time. It's time for chocolate. It is. And I like chocolate. And you like chocolate.
Yeah, but not as much as I thought I did.
Yeah. Gourmet chocolate kind of ruined chocolate, I think.
A little bit.
Yeah. Well,
shall we?
Let me lay forth your treasonous napkin.
Treasonous.
Of love.
Wow. Well, I'm gonna pick first a Theo bar.
Theo.
Root beer barrel.
That sounds good.
55% dark chocolate.
55.
It makes me think of those little hard candies.
Yeah, root beer barrels.
They have that, yeah, taste like root beer.
I bet you that's what's in it.
Maybe, because there are pictures of the little barrels all over the package.
Well.
Let's find out.
Yeah. You know, it's really interesting because they call it root beer, and it always has made me wonder if a root of some sort is made into or using the same method that one would use to make beer into a beverage out of this root that is non-alcoholic and having the root beer. Like sarsaparilla.
I have no idea. But
either way, you have to say it is absolutely fascinating to you.
It is fascinating.
To you.
To me. All right. We'll cut some up.
Okay.
Hiya.
Sweet mother baby biscuit teeth.
Hiya.
That is truly enjoyable.
It's all shiny. It does have little pieces of that stuff in it.
Ooh, little pieces of broken glass.
Yeah, my favorite.
Mmm, yummy. At least it's supposed to be. It totally looks like it has little pieces of broken glass.
Oh yeah, even if you look on here, there's like some little pieces.
It's a trap. Chin and chin.
That one's funny.
Mm.
The first kind of little bit of chewing it, I was like, man, this is gross. But the more that I chewed it, the yummier it got.
Mm-hmm.
And by the end, I'm like, it's actually pretty good.
Initially, it made me think of licorice. It was like the chocolate and root beer just kind of gave me this kind of licorice hit. Then that subsided. Then all I could taste was root beer.
Yeah.
And then all I could taste was chocolate.
I don't know, at first it almost seemed a little bitter. But then, like I said, like after I started chewing it, then it's like, oh no, this has definitely got a root beer flavor to it. Maybe it's because the chocolate is dark.
It's not that dark, but
No,
it's
not
definitely
that dark,
darker.
But then maybe it'd be better if it was more of a milk chocolate.
You think? I kind of like the way because the root beer barrels definitely have a very strong flavor.
No, definitely. But that's the way it's supposed to be. I mean, it's root beer flavored.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Score?
3.5.
I'm gonna give it a 4. That and one thing that's so much better than their horchata bar.
Oh,
that horchata bar was like such a joke. Back to the drawing board. Yeah.
Yeah, no, this one was decent.
Yeah, I like that.
Excellent.
Thank you, Theo.
Yeah, thank you, Theo. What you got for us?
Oh, now I will put my napkin in place.
Napkin.
And I will place the bar that I have chosen. This little tiny bar is made from dolphins.
Is that illegal?
It's fun.
Can you not catch dolphins and eat them?
Well, we have been eating a lot of tuna lately, and I guess sometimes
dolphins safe.
Oh, does it say that on it?
Yeah, that's like a big thing for tuna, is that it needs to be dolphin safe.
That sucks, because it's like, if it's not, then there's the possibility you might get a little dolphin chunk in there.
But do people actually, like, catch dolphins and eat them?
I was told when I was in Taiwan that that the Chinese eat anything that moves other than cars. So yes, people eat dolphins. Yes. People eat harp seals. People eat lambs.
That's not what I'm talking about.
I'm sure people do eat dolphin, or at least use it in some way.
Some way.
Yeah. You can harvest, all animals you can harvest something useful out of. That's why they're here for us.
You're a creep.
No, I'm just... I'm just kidding. Well, let's see what
your dolphin bar.
Let's see what this little sweet baby dolphin has to offer for us.
Maybe that's why it's so small.
Dolphins are small animals. This looks much like the last bar.
But what flavor is it, other than dolphin?
Ambergris now. Dolphin dark chocolate with shortbread and
sea salt, some kind of weird.
It's spelled Guerande. Grande. Grande. Yeah. Grand. The sea salt is grand, yo.
Where's it made?
This is
French.
This is Belgian, I believe.
Belgium.
Is it Belgium right there?
Yep, Belgium. Uh-oh. Bringing out the weapon.
I've brought back after its short slumber my blade of Kalas to show you truth and pain.
Made me jump.
Ooh. That better?
No. It's creepier.
I place upon this side of the napkin your portion.
Thank you.
Let's see, it doesn't... looks like chocolate.
Yeah.
Shortbread, huh?
There's a little tiny, like, speck of something in here.
Does yours have one and mine doesn't? What does the back of the bar look like? Not like much.
Oh, no, you can... no, can you wipe that off?
Wipe? Wipe what?
Whatever, just eat it.
Okay. To you.
To you. I can't find it.
Got a little bit.
It's like the tiny... It's almost like an aftertaste.
Well,
kind of like a snickerdoodly type cinnamony flavor, but all I'm really getting mostly of is just dark chocolate.
Disappointment. Thy name is Dolphin, spelled with an F.
So it was just like a dark chocolate bar with a little bit of texture.
And as far as sea salt...
Oh yeah, it was supposed to have sea salt too.
I don't know, maybe that sea salt just... Maybe the hallmark of and sea salt is that it has no flavor. So that... maybe that's the
then
deal.
Why would you put it on there? Make it sound fancy.
That's right. It's grand. Score.
1.
1. I agree. Fingers touching. You. And you.
And you.
Why? Why would you do it? You have a lot to think about, don't you?
I think so.
You should take a little walk. Clear your mind and your conscience.
Yeah. Well, maybe we should go.
I think so. I think you just kind of need to be alone right now.
Yeah.
Bye.
We'll give you some time. Bye now.